Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangnupom in a media briefing said the reports of the first 3 COVID-19 positive cases were received at 5:36 a.m. this morning. The samples were tested at Biosafety Lab Level 3 in Kohima. Out of the 3, 2 positive cases, 1 male aged 20 and 1 female aged 23 are from Dimapur district and 1 male aged 26 years is from Kohima district. On arrival to Agri Expo in Dimapur, after medical screening, the female case was having symptoms and was sent directly to COVID-19 hospital in Dimapur. The male case did not have any symptoms on arrival to Agri Expo quarantine center. However, after he developed symptoms, he was sent to COVID-19 hospital in Dimapur as well. His sample tested positive. In case of the male positive case from Kohima, he was sent directly from Dimapur railway station to Kohima on arrival. As per contact tracing in Dimapur, it was learned that the 2 patients were sitting adjacent to each other in the train.
The 2 cases have been admitted in COVID-19 hospital, Dimapur.
All patients are stable and undergoing proper treatment. With 3 COVID-19 positive cases, the state government is working on a new SOP which is expected to be released soon. In an exclusive interview with Northeast 8, Chief Secretary Temjin Toy said there are SOPs already in place. However, with the nature of arrivals coming in from special trains and buses, there was a need to look and review into the SOPs, which the state government has already been working on. He said the new SOPs will be brought out very soon.
There is a need to have a re-look at our SOPs, which we will be doing. In fact, we are doing that.
Okay.
And very soon we'll come out with our new SOP.
On the decision of testing all the returnees, whereas the Biosafety Lab Level 3 has limited number of testings in a day, the Chief Secretary said the lab at Kohima was made functional, yet all channels in Assam and Manipur are still open and therefore state will continue to take their assistance. He added that taking into account the single biosafety lab for now, the state government has decided to go for pool testing that will increase the number and will be more effective. For central and southern districts, samples will be tested in Kohima, while for districts like Mon, it will be more convenient to test in Dibrugarh, he said. Toy also said since COVID-19 is here to stay and has no season, therefore he said Nagas have to learn to live with it and take all precautionary measures. The special train from Gurugram to Dimapur carrying 378 stranded citizens from Nagaland arrived after a delay of more than 24 hours. The train had an eventful journey, first with the death of a young girl whose body had to be deboarded in Kanpur and brought to Nagaland by ambulance. While passing Danapur and Katihar junctions in Bihar, a mob of migrant workers tried to forcibly board the special train, causing widespread panic both in the train and families waiting at home. On May 25th at around 10:30 a.m., the train finally pulled into Dimapur railway station, much to the relief of all. All the passengers have been medically screened and sent to different quarantine centers in Dimapur and in Kohima. Of the total, 288 from Dimapur, Mon and Peran districts were taken to Agri Expo in 16 buses, while the remaining 90 from other districts were transported to Kohima in 4 buses. Department of Health and Family Welfare issued the latest COVID-19 sample testing status of Nagaland as on May 25, 2020. Cumulative number of samples sent for testing 1,331. Number of results received 1,046. Total number of positive results 3. Total number of negative results 1,043. Number of samples sent after 3 p.m. of May 24 to 3 p.m. of May 25, 265. Number of samples awaited 285. Number of samples tested by TrueNet 35. Number of samples tested negative by TrueNet 35. Number of samples tested positive by TrueNet 0. Number of sample results awaited 0. Number of persons presently at facility quarantine 2,831. Number of persons out of home quarantine 7,004. From all of us here at NE8, stay safe.